Hi everybody, Jeff here, and I just wanted to let you know about some deals we got here going today on Home Depot. These are only for today only, so this is the special buy of the day. And just a reminder, as we go in to check out the savings for today here, tonight we're premiering our video at 7 p.m., our how-to video on how to quickly install your laminate flooring. So if you know anybody who's installing laminate flooring, hey, make sure they come to our channel. You can click on our video tabs right now and see the video for it. In fact, let me see if I could show you this here. So if I go to our videos that are up and coming, you'll see it right there. See premiering, and you can just click on it there. You'll see a different screen. You'll see this, and then you can set the reminder, and that will let you know. So we're looking here, and we got some Honeywell air filters that are 40% off here. And this is probably a good time to change your air filter. If you can't remember the last time that you changed your air filter, then you need to be doing it probably now, I would imagine. I was just over somebody's house yesterday and looking at their air filter, and it was pretty filthy. Anyway, you can see right up here where the cursor is here, it tells you there's a countdown clock, so they are pretty serious about it. It does stop at that time once you run out of time there. So anyway, that's not the main thing we're looking at here today. What I wanted to show you was these right here. So you can see here we've got these power tool combo kits here from Ridgid and Dewalt. Okay, so the deals that I am most concerned about right now are all of these right here that say 51%, 50%, 50%. These are the ones that you want to give some serious consideration to and compare them with the price that it is on the shelf in your store, if they even have it in your store. So let's take a look, for example, at this one real quick here. So here's the Ridgid Kit. I don't want to add it to the cart. So here's the Ridgid Kit here. Let's go take a look in there. So this is an 18-volt Octane Lithium-Ion Cordless and Brushless combo kit. So this is good. You're getting a brushless pair here with the charger here, and it's got two 9-amp hour batteries here. So you can see the special buy price is $349, and you're saving $368 off the price. Now this one here isn't necessarily saying if it's today only. So I don't know if this is just, okay, well, it's a new price or not. But I'm going to show you another one here that I think will say that it's today only here. Was it this Dewalt one here? So this one here says extra savings in today. See that right there? So yeah, some of these have an expiration on them. So if you're looking and you're serious about a kit, you might want to make sure you get in there today and get these. So this particular kit here from Dewalt here, that comes with a, let me see, how big is the battery? Are they telling us? 4-amp hour battery here. And so, but does it have the charger? You got the tool only, okay, with the free 4-amp hour battery. So hopefully you have a charger already. But the tool itself is $129, so it's approximately half off there, 50% off of the $258 price. So that's something to look at. And then we have over here the grinder, the angle grinder here, and this is a similar deal here. It's a tool only with a 4-amp hour battery, and same thing, $129. So you can bounce that off of what your local store is charging you, but actually I don't think they have it there. Let me back up here. It says right here, not in your store. It doesn't mean it's not in your store. It means it's not in one of the stores I've selected here. So, and then over here is, I don't know if this is the same one or not. They've slightly changed this kit up a little bit here. So this one here is $349, and so they're telling you that you're saving $348. And again, they're not saying that this one expires today either. So it looked like only those two Dewalt kits were expiring today. And then if you go here and click on View All, you can see there's several other kits, but you just want to make sure you check the price of these kits in your store to see if you're really getting that much of a savings, or will you find a lower price in your store with the yellow sticker. Okay, so you have to be careful here because not everything here is going to be the best price possible. So this one here says special buy and see lower price in the cart. And we're going to put this in the cart. And when we put this into the cart here, we can see, oh, they're going to charge us $399. So the problem is this is not I mean, it's a decent price, but they've had this in most of our stores when marked down with the yellow sticker for $349 for the past couple of months now. In fact, I already bought one of these a couple of weeks ago inside the store for $349 and then used a 10% off coupon to get it down to $319. So this is where you have to really know, well, how much can you really get these for? And if it's available in your local store, is there a yellow sticker on it already, making it even lower than this price? So just be aware of that. I just wanted to make sure you folks were up to date with what's going on today at Home Depot. And let me go back to the main page here. And thanks for tuning in, everybody. And hopefully you can come back and check out our video premiere this evening at 7 p.m. We will see you all then. Have a great day, guys. Bye.